Morning, guys. Gonna take Stanley to work today, but you can see it's frosty on the windshields because it's 34 degrees this morning. This is why I love LS swaps. Really, I just like any EFI because of this right here. Fuel pump. I mean, it's 35 degrees this morning. Now we gotta turn the heater on. Cancel that, we'll just wire into the power for the wipers, and I'll run in the shop and grab a piece for this so we can turn on the heater. Alright guys, that's the ride to work. It takes about 6 minutes when it's when I get stopped in traffic, and works great. Windshield's completely defrosted. Woohoo! So, good to go. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, back in it for lunch. Turn the radio down here a little bit and headed out to O'Reilly's to grab a few parts so you guys can make the trip with me.
I'm happy and free. Detroit's been like a blessing to me.